Everyone talks about YouTube money. Nobody shows you the actual number. Until now. I have seen people claim everything from 50 cents to $200 per thousand views. Most of them have never looked at an actual AdSense report. I have run 6 channels. I have generated over 11 million views. I have the receipts. Let me show you what YouTube actually pays.
First, you need to understand one term, RPM, revenue per mille. This is what YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views after they're cut.
The global average RPM in 2026 sits between $2 and $5. The most common number I see across all niches? $3.50. Niche determines everything. A financial channel and a gaming channel with the same number of views can have a 15-fold difference in revenue. The location of your viewers is more important than their number. In most cases, 1,000 American viewers pay more than 10,000 Indian viewers. Many people confuse CPM and RPM. CPM is what advertisers pay for. YouTube takes 45%, the remainder is your RPM. Let me explain in more detail. 100,000 views per month at an average RPM is $350. 1 million views is $3,500.
Here's a number no one mentions in the previews. Some channels earn 30 cents per thousand views. Viral content, reaction content,
$45 per thousand views. Real RPM numbers from premium finance content targeting US investors kill, and the reason finance creators pay attention. January is the worst month of the year for YouTube revenue. Advertisers spent their entire budget in the fourth quarter. Your RPM in January will be 40% lower than in December. Not all ads pay the same. Non-skippable ads usually earn more, while bumper ads scale fast. Your ad mix can significantly change overall RPM. YouTube rewards watch time by pushing videos to higher value audiences. Better audiences attract premium ads bay, which is why strong retention often means higher RPM. Not all ads pay the same. Non-skippable ads usually earn more, while bumper ads scale fast. Your ad mix can significantly change overall RPM. Many creators overlook YouTube premium revenue. When premium users watch your videos, you earn a share of their subscription fee based on watch time.
Before these numbers matter, you need to qualify. 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 3 million Shorts views.
Shorts RPM is extremely low compared to long-form content. Shorts are powerful for audience growth, but long-form videos are where serious revenue happens.
What thumbnails never reveal? Top creators often earn far more beyond AdSense. Views bring attention pay, but the real income comes from the business built around them.
A niche channel with loyal subscribers can earn more from one sponsorship than months of AdSense. Credibility builds value, Kai, and subscribers prove it. YouTube's AI-driven ad system now adjusts advertiser matching in real time. The same video can earn different RPM depending on audience behavior and timing.
At average RPM, 10,000 monthly views earns about 35. 100,000 earns 350. 1 million views can reach 3,000.
The biggest mistake is chasing views instead of value. 10,000 targeted viewers in the right niche can outperform 1 million random views every time. Month 1 earned $42, month 8 reached $6,400. Same niche, same format, just a deeper understanding of how the system works. In 2026, YouTube RPM ranges from cents to dozens of dollars per thousand views. Your audience, niche, and content quality determine where you land.